So hello friends, hopefully everyone is fine. As you can see, I have almost 222 AMF tokens. I want to convert AMF token to my addmefast points. So let's click on the AMF token balance. Click on this drop down list. Let's click on swap. So if I click on max, as you can see, it is taking all the balance, but I don't want to convert all my AMF token. If I put one AMF token, as you can see, my balance is now AMF point balance is now 15,050. So I want to convert one AMF token to my points for 5 points. I have to click this checkbox and let's click on swap. As you can see, the swap has been completed. Let's go back to the previous window. As you can see, my one AMF token has been deducted from the main balance and 5 points has been added here. So that's it guys, thank you for watching, see you in the next video.